Yo, what up, everybody? Wally's Welding World here, the Weld Professor, as you might know me. So I got my buddy out here. Come on, get in here.
What up?
So this is Cameron. Cameron is new to the team. Cameron is going to learn how to become a rig welder, and so we're going to take him step by step. And you guys have been following the page, row access. You guys know what that's all about, right? Bringing your front row access to the pipeline. That's what it's all about. And Cameron's the man. Show it off. Cameron's got it, man. Cameron is the man. So if you guys don't follow row access, don't even follow me. Just don't, okay? Because row access is a part of me. So go and follow row access and be a part of it. Like, this is our shit, yo. So go and check it out. It's for real. It's no bullness, or bullshit, bullness, whatever, you know, whatever.
Bullcrap,
bullness, bullshit.
Whatever.
So anyways, yeah. So we're out here where I hold the workshops right now, and we're getting ready and getting amped up for the second workshop. I mean, wait, third workshop, right? Third workshop.
First of 2020, though.
Yeah, the first of 2020. So if you're not coming out here and being a part of the workshop, like, we understand, like, a lot of people are in a financial bind and, like, they can't afford something like this. Like, I understand it. Like, I get it, yo. It's fine. But it's not what that's about. What this is about getting that experience of really learning how to tone in your energy on the pipe welds. Cameron, he's never really pipe weld. So today we're going to be basically putting him under the hood, under this hood. Some Outlaw hood, because Outlaw gave him a hood. Isn't that cool? So he met up with Outlaw at Fab Tech, which is actually pretty cool, and ended up giving him a hood. I don't know if you won it. Did you win it? Or did they just give it to you?
Nope, they hooked me up with it.
They hooked him up with it. Now, and you got to realize that Outlaw has really been in the industry a long time. They're making some big moves with their hoods. They're coming out with some pretty cool hoods, man. Can't knock them, right? So I've been hearing about Outlaw for a really, really long time. So it's kind of cool that Cameron's a part of the team now, and he's going to be rocking the Outlaw hood. So yeah, that's what it is. We're going to put him under the hood today. We're going to see what he's got. He says he's going to leave a bunch of what?
Dog turds.
Yeah, he said he's going to leave a bunch of dog turds on the pipe. So we're going to see if he leaves some dog turds on the pipe. I told him, you know, it probably ain't going to be that bad. I asked him if he ever will pipe. He says no, but he's probably lying. He's probably lying, right?
Maybe a little bit of pipe.
Yeah, so.
Mostly structural.
Yeah, he's taking a lot of pipe. Don't let him lie to you. No, all right. So anyways, so we're out here. We're going to get this going. And I just wanted to bring you guys in on it and let you guys know this is what we're doing. Bringing the workshop to you guys on the 26th of the end of the month. It's going to be a branch. I'm going to be showing you guys how to run that branch, take that branch test, dominate that branch test. If you dominate that branch test, we might move on to something else. I shouldn't have said that. Sneak peek. So anyways, catch you guys later. Ah, shoot. So Cameron brought out the drone, so we want to get some drone shots. We're going to start doing these drone things. Yeah. So I didn't mean show off your truck. But anyways, yeah. So he drives one of these things. I don't know if a lot of you guys like them, but yeah.
Look at you being a pro helper.
Cameron, where's my carburetor? You were following me. Did it fall off?
Oh, yeah. We ran it over.
What? Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, stop. We finally got it fired up. So I put the carburetor on there, and then I was trying to start it, and then Cameron came in and pulled the choke, and it just fired right up. So we're gonna put it in auto now, because I had it in high. I started it in high. Let's see if it down idles, and then we're gonna spark some arc with it and see if it welds. I'm happy. I'm super excited. You're my good luck charm.
Yep.
Ooh, dude, so it's low idled right now. Listen how quiet it is low idled. Yo, what up, my people? Yeah, so this is going to be the first time I get to strike an arc with this machine here, and I'm super excited. So we're going to see either if I suck or if the machine sucks or they both suck. So let's go ahead and just spill some welds and see what it does here. Dude, I love it. Now it does seem cold though. So maybe like the OCVs are like turned up, maybe too, or not turned up enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll bump it up. Man, look how quiet it is. Oh, it's like a purr. Alright, so let me burn that one. So I'm burning 3. Look at that. I can't stay straight to save my life. I haven't welded. And no excuse, but I haven't welded since like December, before Christmas. Alright, that's a bad welding machine. I gotta turn it down. That bottom's hot. So this is good. This is real good. So this is my very first time welding with it. I can tell you, it's a good welding machine. Ah, I don't got a welding cap on. I got a ball cap on. I don't always weld in a ball cap, but when I do, I always got my cowboy boots on. But it's your turn now, Cameron, cameraman behind the camera. So yeah, I basically want to say that yes, I'm excited at weld. Woohoo! Like that was my biggest worry, is that we weren't gonna be able to get it started, and if we got it started, it wasn't gonna be able to weld. So the fact it starts up now, the fact it welds now, is awesome. So yes, so subscribe to the channel, or I'll find you. And I'll weld you into your house. No, I'm just kidding. I'll cut that out. No. I got Cameron out here, and I told him one of the first things he's got to learn to do is bevel the pipe. So he's going to bevel the pipe and get it down to an art. Hey, what up? Had to get. So I'm teaching Cameron how important it is to stay inside the cutting puddle when cutting, and I'm teaching him how it's a formula, how you got to have the right amount of speed on traveling with the torch. Nope, you got to slow down. Now this is real important. Come back up. Now just hang out right there and go down very slowly, because what you're doing is you're creating the puddle to recut again. So there you go. Once you get it cutting again, then you can take off on it. So it's a learning curve for Cameron. Cameron's never been on the beveling machine before. Actually, this is his first time beveling, so we're going to get him tuned up on the beveling, because he's going to be cutting a lot of pipe for me here in the near future. So I told Cameron that when it stops cutting, you can hear it. So one of the most important things when learning how to bevel is learning how to listen for it cutting. Because when it stops cutting, you will hear it. All right, Cameron, the first thing you need to do, no, just stop. Stop. All right, go ahead and light it up, Cameron. No, stop. All right, go ahead, light it up this time. Do it right, don't mess it up. Now stop, stop. Fire it up. Fire it up. Fire it up. Oh, you got lucky. You got lucky the coating was on fire.
I know.
Oh! Oh yeah. And so we got the classic one running. Oh yeah. Yeah, so look, that's low idle, guys. That's high idle. That's low idle. Yeah, she quiet. And so we got kind of sick of cutting all the pipe, so I told Cameron, oh, look at it. So I told Cameron, let's go ahead and just start welding. So Cameron's over here getting suited up, getting ready to weld. Oh, what's he got going on over here? Oh, dang, he's trying to break out the drone. Did you already, what did it do? Did it take off? Oh, it's right there. Nice. You gonna try to go for it or what?
Yeah, we'll see if it'll fly.
All right, yeah.
It's decent.
Don't take me out. Not enough battery?
Battery cold. Please warm battery.
Oh! All right, guys, so basically I got Cameron out here today, and I'm going to show him basically from start to finish, you know, the benefit of being my helper. You get to learn to weld from me, so in the future when I say be my helper, you might want to jump on it. Okay, so anyways, back to the subject. So I'm always trying to express to everybody the flex, and a lot of people don't understand the flex of this rod. So it's not me cramming this rod, it's me placing the rod on the pipe and then slightly bending back. That's the flex. That's how I get the flex. I put it in the bevel, and I slightly just give it pressure, and that's all the pressure I usually use to go all the way down the pipe. And that's that flex you're seeing me do. It's not a jam in the pipe in there, it's just a flex. So when you fire up, a lot of guys like to fire up either holding it like this, hold it like this, or hold it like this just to keep that stable. Not many guys can fire up like that and get right back in the bevel. So if you need to hold it like that, get a good strike, get it back in the bevel. As soon as you start popping that hole, apply that flex. Now, say the hole starts opening up too much on you guys, relieve that flex. That flex will allow you to not put so much metal in there, and it'll kind of help you float that bead on top. So just a little bit of information for my homie here, Cameron. When you fire up like this, get it down in there. And again too, you don't want to fire up and come way out here. You just want a little quick fire up and then get right back down in those bevels. And then you want to start getting that flex and start dragging that. And another thing too I tell people is try to stay perpendicular to the pipe all the way down. So when you're welding that pipe, try to stay perpendicular. All right, that's going to help you out a lot. All right, let's get to it. Like that tighter gap, don't you?